Hello, here is an exercise for you. Here what you need to do is, you need to sketch angles in standard position and then you have to sketch angles in standard position and then determine primary trigonometric ratios, right? So try to sketch these angles. Let's say 3 pi by 4, for example, right? Let's take a couple of examples and let's take 5 pi by 3. I'm purposely taking with different sets of angles, and let's say 7 pi by 6. Correct? So try to sketch it yourself and then check with the answers which I am giving you here. Now let's go one by one. So we have 3 pi by 4. So 3 pi by 4 is what? Here, first thing is to find the related acute angle. The related acute angle is pi by 4. Okay, so we will now draw pi by 4s. So pi by 4 means we'll divide our pi into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts means 2 here and 2 there. So that means straight line like this and straight line like this. This is 0, this is pi, this is pi by 2, and this is half of that pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 means 1 pi by 4, 2 pi by 4 and 3 pi by 4. Correct. So that is our 3 pi by 4. This triangle. And this is 3 pi by 4. That's the first part to sketch the angle 3 pi by 4. Now 3 pi by 4 forms a triangle, and in the standard triangle, what are going to be its sides? So if you compare with our standard triangle, it will be like 1, 1 and square root 2. Why? Because pi by 4 is 180 by 4, 45 degrees, correct? And your 45 degrees special triangle has 1, 1 and square root 2, correct? Now for this type of a triangle, what is sine pi by 4? So we'll write sine 3 pi by 4. So we calculate like this. First, do you remember the cos rule? Correct. So cos rule says that cos will be positive here, right? All will be positive here. And in this quadrant, sine will be positive. And here, tan will be positive, correct? So for sine, we have positive because it is in quadrant 2, right? And what is the acute angle? Acute angle is pi by 4. So in standard sine pi by 4, what do we get? You remember the triangle pi by 4? Let's make one if you don't remember. I already did here, but we'll do one again. 1, 1 and square root 2. So sine value for pi by 4 is 1 over square root 2. So write 1 over square root 2. Correct? Now let's get to cos. Cos 3 pi by 4. Again same strategy. 3 pi by 4, we are in quadrant 2. Here sine is only positive, all others are negative. So cos is negative, we'll put negative. Now this angle is pi by 4. Related acute angle. So we'll go to standard pi by 4 triangle, right? This is our special pi by 4 triangle, right? Here cos is 1 over square root 2. So we'll write 1 over square root 2. Correct? That's our answer. How about tan pi by 4? Tan 3 pi by 4. For tan, it has to be negative because tan is positive only in quadrant 3, right? So it's negative. For tan, special triangle pi by 4 is 1 over 1, which is 1. So we get tan 3 pi by 4 as negative 1. Okay? I hope you understand how I got it. Now let's do the next one, which is 5 pi by 3. So here, what is the related acute angle? Pi by 3, okay? So we may use a special triangle with pi by 3. Anyway, so pi by 3 means I'll divide this pi into 3 equal parts. Let's do it. One part, 2 part. So this is third. And then we have 4th, 5th and 6th. When we say 5 pi by 3, 1 pi by 3, 2 pi by 3, 3 pi by 3, 4 pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3. Okay, so that is my 5 pi by 3. Correct? Now here, this is our triangle. What is the related acute angle here? So we say alpha is how much? Alpha equals to pi by 3, correct? So we'll look into our standard triangle with pi by 3. So that is our standard triangle with pi by 3. Pi by 3. For this side is 2, this side is 1 and this side is square root 3, correct? Now, what is sine of 5 pi by 3? This is what we are interested in. Sine of 5 pi over 3. Now, in this quadrant, what is the cost rule? C, A, S, T. So in this quadrant, only cosine is positive. All others are negative. So it will be negative of 5 pi by 3. Sine pi by 3. Sine pi by 3 is square root 3 over 2. So we'll write square root 3 over 2 negative. Okay. Now, cos 5 pi by 3 will be how much? Cos has to be positive as per the cost rule, right? And cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. It is 1 over 2, correct? And tan pi by 3 has to be tan 5 pi by 3 has to be negative because we are in quadrant 4. That is square root 3 over 1. So it will be square root 3 over 1. I can just write square root 3. Correct. Let's do the last one. This is 7 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6 means we are going to divide our pi into 6 equal parts. Okay, that means 3 here and 3 there, right? So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? These are also our parts. Okay, so now we go to 7 pi by 6. 1 pi by 6, 2 pi by 6, 3 pi by 6, 4 pi by 6, 5 pi by 6, 6 pi by 6, 7 pi by 6. That is our 7 pi by 6. Okay, so that is it. So from here to here, it is 7 pi by 6 in standard position. Now what is the related acute angle? Pi by 6 is a related acute angle. How do we find related acute angle? Here it is. Here it is. Do you see that? That's so simple. So we'll make our standard triangle again, but this time pi by 6. So pi by 6, you remember that? Yes, it is the same triangle, but pi by 6 is here. Now for this, the values are 1, 1, square root 3. Now, pi by 6 is that angle this time. So what is sine pi by 6? We'll write sine 7 pi by 6. Sine 7 pi by 6 equals to 7 pi by 6 is in quadrant 3. As per cost rule, only tan is positive. Sine and cosine are negative. So it's negative. And the acute angle is pi by 6. So what is sine of pi by 6? Opposite over hypotenuse, half. Similarly, what is cos 7 pi by 6? Cos is also negative. Cos this square root 3 over 2. How about tan pi by 6? 7 pi by 6. In this quadrant 3, tan is positive. So it is positive. And pi by 6, 1 over square root 3. Opposite side is 1. Do you see that? So these are our solutions. Okay. I would like you to practice problems for you. Do the same. Draw the angles and then find the primary trigonometric ratios. You could do 5 pi by 6. You could do 2 pi by 3. And let's say 3 pi by 4 I already did. So let me do 5 pi by 4 for you. Okay? Try your triangles. Draw them. Get a practice working with radians. Okay? That should be a good exercise. Thank you.